How to add GameStop Gift Card on PS4. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding adding a GameStop gift card to your PlayStation 4 and whether it is feasible. As you may know that you can use the gift card at GameStop digitally or in the store to purchase available items. However, you can't directly redeem the GameStop gift card on the PlayStation Store. If you attempt to enter the code there, it will show as invalid. Our potential workaround could be using the GameStop gift card to buy a PlayStation Store gift card at a GameStop store or online. Select the desired item, add it to your cart, then verify the details, and proceed to check out. Yet at the payment stage, you will notice that you can't use gift cards for this purchase. The policy states that the gift cards and the trade-in credit cannot be used to buy PlayStation Store gift cards. Unfortunately, currently there does not seem to be any other way to convert your GameStop gift card directly into a PlayStation Store gift card or a PSN credit. Due to restrictions, you're unable to use the gift cards to buy other gift cards. Therefore, you will need to utilize the funds at GameStop itself. If this limitation poses an issue and you prefer to get a specific game, saving up additional funds might be necessary. The aim of this video is not to misinform, but to highlight the constraints of adding a GameStop gift card to your PlayStation 4. If this information has clarified your doubts, please consider liking and subscribing for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.